Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Let's describe these two pictures in one video. Picture 1. Family gift moment. There is a family in the picture. They are in the living room. The family is happy. There are 6 people in the picture. A yellow cat is on the floor. The cat is sitting near the sofa. There is an old man and an old woman. They are grandparents. The grandfather is laughing. He is holding his head with one hand. The grandmother is smiling. She has glasses on her face. The grandmother is wearing a red dress. The grandfather is wearing a yellow sweater. There is a man and a woman. They are the parents. The man has a beard. He is smiling. The father is holding a red gift box. The mother is holding a green gift box. The mother has short hair. She is wearing a white shirt. There is a little girl. The girl is smiling. She is holding a small pink gift. Her hair is tied with pink ribbons. The girl is wearing a green shirt. She is also wearing blue pants. The family is giving gifts. The grandparents are surprised. The grandfather looks very excited. The grandmother is clapping her hands. There is a sofa in the room. The sofa has orange pillows. There is a lamp next to the sofa. The lamp is yellow. There are green plants in the room. The plants are in brown pots. The floor is brown. The wall is light blue. Everyone is standing near the sofa. The father is wearing blue pants. The mother is wearing a pink skirt. The family looks very loving. They are spending time together. The room is neat and clean. The gifts have ribbons on them. The cat looks calm and happy. The picture shows a joyful moment. Picture 2. Home sweet home. There is a family in the picture. The family is in the living room. The room looks neat and clean. There are 4 people in the picture. There is also a cat in the room. The father is sitting on the sofa. He is reading a newspaper. He is wearing glasses. The father is smiling. He has brown hair. The mother is sitting on the sofa. She is using a laptop. The mother is smiling too. She has long blonde hair. The sofa is blue. A small boy is playing on the floor. He has black hair. The boy is wearing a red shirt. He is playing with a yellow car toy. The boy looks happy. A girl is lying on the green carpet. She is drawing or coloring on paper. The girl has brown hair. She is wearing a pink shirt. The girl is smiling. The carpet is round and green. The cat is sitting on the floor. The cat is gray and white. The cat looks calm. There is a small table in the room. The table has a red lamp on it. The lamp is on the left side. There is a bookshelf in the room. The bookshelf is full of colorful books. The bookshelf is on the right side. A clock is on the wall. The clock shows the time. The time is 9 o'clock. There is a picture frame on the wall. The picture shows green hills and a blue sky. The wall is light brown. The floor is wooden. Everyone looks relaxed. The father and mother are sitting. The children are playing. The cat is watching quietly. The family looks very happy. The living room is bright. It is a peaceful and warm scene. The picture shows a happy family moment. Subscribe the channel for more videos.